Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Maps not talking. So first thing first, for that, make sure that your application Google Maps is updated. If it's updated, launch it and let's go ahead access settings and make sure we have allowed voice. For that, tap onto your initial or your profile on your top right. Then here tap settings. As you do so, you have to scroll below. Tap on navigation. And here under sound and voice, make sure this is not muted, unmuted, or allots only. Once done, you can also change the voice by tapping onto it and selecting any language. Once you do so, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, launch your settings. Scroll all the way below until you find the apps button. Tap onto apps and then search for maps. Here tap on notifications and make sure this is allowed sound and vibrations. Tap onto permissions. Also make sure location and notifications are allowed permission. Once you do so, restart your device, launch your app, and this shall fix your problem.